A huge reason why I'm doing this video and doing all these videos is because I haven't seen anything on the Qore EXO Gen 3 or any EXO plate carrier that wasn't somewhat sponsored by them or directly by them. So first and foremost, awesome customer service. Shipping was really fast. Any issues that come up, they're already on it. You can call and like get a hold of someone directly, and they will call you back. They will make the problem right. So by all means, I'm sold on customer service. When it comes to product and longevity or philosophy of use, right now I'm just going to point out the issue. So I had another carrier sent to us because the first one we got, unfortunately, I mean, we've had it for 4 days now and we haven't used it. I mean, we put it together, threw some plates in there, but we haven't used it or anything. And this is happening. It's like delaminating from the material. So there's two separate materials here, obviously. And I thought that they just didn't stitch this part here. I was like, oh, no wonder it blew out because there's no stitching. Maybe it's a quality control thing. But if you look right here, you can even see that it's opening up. That one's even better. So it's actually separating from the entire plate bag. Like the materials are both separating, isn't? Yeah. So this one's not doing that yet. I hope it doesn't. I hope this is a one-time like off thing, like a one-off thing. But when you look at something like a Qore SPC, where it's one material, it's all one material right here. Like here we go. It's all one. It's not double layered or anything like that at all, to where it's pressed in. If there is any feedback that I can give to Qore Performance, because they say in their videos they want feedback from your customers, if you're going to use this 2-ply system right here, please stitch it everywhere where it can pop. Because if you're mauling stuff onto your kit and pulling and doing whatever else, and this is a possibility, that's not good. I'm hoping that this is just a one-off. So if anyone has had an issue like this right here, let me know in the comments, because like I said, this is my first one and we didn't really use it at all. We just put it together, took pictures of it, and this is, again, this happened, but I don't think this is normal. So, and again, when I showed them a video of this, they took care of it immediately. I mean, immediately. Like, we're sending this one back tomorrow, but immediately they took care of it. So I don't have any issues with their customer service. It's amazing. But I just want to make sure that the system that we're running or that we're going to test out, that's not going to split like that. So I'll keep you guys updated as we train and as we work. We got a guy doing a workup pretty soon, so he's going to be using this, and we'll get feedback from him as well on how it holds up in the field. So yeah, that's it for this video right now. Try to not make it lengthy, but yeah, if you've ever experienced that, let me know. All right, but if you're asking if I'd buy Qore Performance, I still would right now. This didn't turn me off 100% because they gave me another one. And I'm going to see if, this one does the same thing. Now, if this one does that, then it's a problem. But outside of that right now, I am still in high hopes with Qore Performance. So, yeah, check them out.